being silly is really important. And for me, I remember our regard in our school for our teachers just went whoosh, skyrocketed. The moment on Children's Day we'd see our teachers get up on stage and be silly, and they were superstars for us. You know, our really serious social studies teacher or our geography teacher who we were terrified of. And suddenly she'd be human and she'd be something wonderful and delightful on stage. And so just for that to happen, it transformed what we, so that wasn't a transformation of the teacher so much, but it was a transformation of our image of the teacher, which was very, very amazing. I don't know how many schools and how many teachers allow for this to happen today, but I have two little stories of the differences that have happened through workshops we've done. One was a workshop, a 5-day workshop, in fact using mathematics and theatre and a whole bunch of teachers who then finally worked with kids. And at the end of that, many months later, I asked the principal of the school, was there any impact at all? Did you feel any difference with your teacher? And the principal said, actually, there was one that just stood out. Very soon after that workshop, there was a class trip that had to be organized. And the teacher who was in charge was a young teacher who was never quite very good at managing logistics and crowds and things. And suddenly, she was super organized, and the principal really put it to the fact that she'd gone through some enormous transformation in this workshop. She couldn't pinpoint what that transformation was, but she said that suddenly this teacher had sort of come into herself and she was able to organize the kids and the crowds, and it was very banal work, it was very ordinary work, but she really put it to this experience that the teacher had gone through. There's recently another principal I met, and I asked the same thing, and she said, well, especially of the younger children, there were teachers who were forever having problems managing their kids in terms of just controlling them. Especially with the arts classes, so the music teacher, the dance teacher, those the sort of softer subjects which is like a free period nowadays, right, in our schools mostly. And so there was constantly MOs coming to her, saying, that child having problems with this one, that one, and complaints about the noisy, bratty kids. And she said after the workshop, it's been 8 months now, no problem. There's something happened. The teachers have just had an ability to manage a class of 40 kids, and they've just got a new perspective of what to do and how to manage it. And she said that's extraordinary. She couldn't believe that that's happened.